Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel Financeable. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to change your display name on Bitget. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account, in case you have not, do it right now. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply focus on the top right. Here is a profile picture button right here. Click on it. Well, once you do, this thing will open up. Well, do note that there are lots of options, but right now all you want to do is click on the first button right here. That is simply your username. Click on this tab. That is it. Once you do, you will be redirected to this page. From here, this is my profile dashboard. Well, right now what we're gonna do is simply click on this My Profile button at the rightmost section. I'm gonna click on it right now. Once you do, these things will open up. From here, you can simply change the cover, you can change your display name, username and others. But right now what we're gonna focus on is simply the display name. Right next to it, you can see the change button. Click on it and change it as you wish. I'm gonna do it right now. As you can see, I have done that. Now once it's okay, simply hit on confirm. And that's about it, guys. Once you have hit on the confirm button, your display name will go for review. Once it's okay, your display name will have been changed. Well guys, that is it. That's how we change your display name on Bitget. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.